Hi, in this particular or the specific video we'll see like how to fix FiveM has stopped responding. Is FiveM is not working for you or FiveM has stopped responding? We all know that FiveM is a popular modification for the GTA V game that allows players to connect to custom multiplayer servers. It was developed by Citizen FX Collective and it was released in the year 2015. So now we'll try to understand why FiveM has stopped responding. There could be many reasons like why FiveM has stopped responding. We'll try to understand what are the causes or what are the reasons like why FiveM has stopped responding. FiveM servers have some issues. If the FiveM servers are experiencing issues or undergoing maintenance, it can be one of the reasons like why FiveM is not responding or it has stopped responding. Outdated graphic drivers, if your graphic drivers are outdated or if it is not the latest version, it can cause the FiveM to crash or it can stop working or it can stop responding. Corrupted gaming files. If the game files for the FiveM has become corrupted or it has become outdated, it can cause FiveM to stop responding. Outdated version of FiveM, if you are using the outdated or the old version of FiveM application, then it can cause FiveM to stop responding. Conflict with other programs or antivirus. If the FiveM is conflicting with the other programs or your antivirus, it can cause FiveM to stop responding. Insufficient system resources. If your computer doesn't have enough memory or the processing power to run the FiveM application, it can cause FiveM to stop responding. Okay, see, this kind of gaming application requires some good system or a good computer. If it is not having enough memory or good amount of memory or the processing power, maybe you are using some of the oldest processor or some of the old processor. Try to use some of the latest processor so that you will not face this kind of problem. Okay, so now we'll try to understand how we can fix this particular problem. The method number one is check FiveM server status. If the FiveM has stopped responding, the first thing what you have to do is like check the server status. If there is any known issues that could be causing the problem. To check server status, you can visit the FiveM website or social media pages to see if there is any announcement about the server issues or the maintenance. If there is no known issues or the server appears to be running normally, then issue may be on your end. So what we'll do is like we'll just try to copy this FiveM server status. You can go to this particular website status.cfx.re. So here you can see if there is any ongoing maintenance or the server maintenance, it will be updated. So this is the website status.cfx.re, so that you will get to know if there is any ongoing maintenance or the server maintenance. It's the first method, and the second method is run FiveM as administrator. If the FiveM has stopped responding, you may need to run FiveM as an administrator to fix this issue. To run FiveM as an administrator, follow some of the steps which are mentioned here. So right click on the FiveM shortcut on your desktop, then select run as administrator from the context menu. Okay, that's the second method. And the third method is delete FiveM caches file. So you have to delete your caches and cookies on your systems as well as from the FiveM cache file. Okay, so in order to do that, what you have to do is like press Windows plus R. Then here you can type local app data percentage. Press OK. So here you can locate the FiveM application, then open the FiveM cache folder. Inside that, then select all the files in the folder, then press delete key on the keyboard to delete them. Okay, close the folder and try launching the FiveM application once you are done. Okay. Okay, so that's the third method. The fourth method is add FiveM as an exception in your antivirus. Okay, so these antivirus what we have installed on our system uh, are trying to stop this FiveM application in order to connect it to the servers, because they will treat these kind of applications as a junk or a spam file. Okay, so what you can do is like you can make sure that you will add exception as this particular application in your antivirus. Okay, so for that what you can do is like open your antivirus program and look for the option to add exception or exclude certain programs from being scanned. So add FiveM executable files as an exception. File is usually located in this particular location. So save your changes and try launching the FiveM application. Okay, so that's the fourth method. The fifth method is contact the FiveM support team. The FiveM support team is always ready to help you, and they will come up with the solution for the problem what you are facing. Okay, so you can visit this particular website support.cfx.re. so once you visit this particular website, so here you can click on submit a request. So here you can select help and support. So here you can enter your email ID, subject, and the description of the entire problem, and finally never forget to attach a supporting file or the screenshot of the particular error what you are facing. Take a screenshot of the particular error what you are facing, save it somewhere on your system, and finally you can attach here, then you can submit it. Okay, and the backend team will check the issue what you are facing. They will come up with solution and they will help you in order to get this problem fixed it, or it will be this one. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.